We are flying this morning from LAX to Narita Airport. We have a 10:15 boarding time and it is currently 8:01. So we need to get on the ball. This hotel also says the shuttle only runs every half an hour, so I might need to grab an Uber. But we're excited. Let's get rolling. Oh, do you need a book? Bookshop.
Service to Cancun. All confirmed passengers, please make your way to gate.
That is Zone 1 boarding line. We are on the upgrade list for Premium Plus, but I don't think we're gonna get it. Oh yeah, look at that back there. That's crazy. But we shall see. We're on the upgrade for Premium Plus. We shall see what happens. They have just started pre-boarding.
Passports out and available, please.
There's some Zone 2 love.
Group 2 is now welcome to board. United Flight 32 with service to Tokyo Narita is currently boarding. Seating Group 1, lane number 1. Seating Group 2, lane number 2. Doorway 77. Please have your passport out and available.
Scan on the white tape. Once it turns green, you're welcome to board. Thank you very much. Next passenger, you guys can come closer in.
Right through with facial recognition. That was wonderful. I believe you all saw it with me. Okay, I think I can put my passport away now.
What's the seat number? Okay.
35 A and C.
35 and C. Go straight.
Oh, look at these Polaris glass seats.
Rồi, giờ Phúc cho Phí Phúc ngủ giấc đi. Có gì ăn chưa? Chắc cái tiệm này nó có ăn. Ăn 200.
And here's your Premium Plus seats. Not for passenger bags. Okay. Over here. What do we have? 787.9. We have. Over here.
No.
Can we get back to that thing that tells us how this flight's going down? Nice. Oh, that's really nice. There is pretty good leg room here in economy if you don't put something under your seat. If you put something like your bag under your seat, you're going to be in trouble. But I can stretch out my legs fully right here. Where is Poo-Pourri? This is how it works. Departure, meal service, lights out, light snack, lights on, meal service, arrival. That's cool. It darkens, I believe.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like it.
Oops, here's your flusher. Baby towels. Paper towels. Very nice. Okay, we've been in the air about an hour and a half. And here's the little meal we get. That's trash. We get, oh, thank you. Look at this. What all have we got? We've got a bread. We've got a chicken. I chose the chicken. Your options were chicken or pasta. Here's a little Waldorf salad. Here's a little birthday cookie crumble. And a lime and butter. Let's get this out on a tray. Very tasty, and this chicken is delicious. At the 1 hour and 22 minute till landing mark, we got fruit, croissant, chicken sausage gravy bake, and French toast. I'll show you what they look like when they're uncovered. Berry stuff on the bottom. On the ground, Narita Airport. Thank you, thank you. I guess so. Arrivals to next.